Well, today is January 4th, 2025, and we're here at Sloss Furnace. Now, I've actually been here before, but last time I was here, the stock tunnel was actually closed, and they've opened it back up. So, you're waiting a while to see this. So, just for reference, this is where we were at last time. We could walk down through there. The stock tunnel is actually opened back up. There's the mine cart's way up there.
As well this side.
Let me get mine out. Hang on.
Did you get your line out?
I did, yeah.
How much is it?
So they do offer a map in the gift shop and everything, and the place is marked all kinds of things here, so a lot of history at this place. I will put the link to my first video down in the description of this video.
I see the open door on the way.
This is probably my favorite room from last time. It got really dark all of a sudden in here. It's the glowing engine building. This is a pretty dark area back in here. Gets pretty dark back in here, but so if I were to cut my light off, that's how dark it gets right here. It's like an old shower.
No, just barely. What'd you say? Just barely. You can walk on this way. We'll see how somewhere it goes.
It's outside again out there. It's one of the huge motors, the big belt. This is the Powerhouse. This was actually closed last time I was here. This is the real electrical stuff. Yeah, this is still being used back in here. More lockers. This is back around where the stock tunnel would be. This is, I guess, like one of the old control rooms. Small bell, valve open. And then here is, oh yeah. So last time when I was here, you couldn't go down in that tunnel down there, but you can go down to right here. They're pretty cool. There's the mine carts up there, or the coal carts, whatever how you want to call them. And then of course down below, red light. Let's get another shot downstairs. Let's see. I'm pretty sure. So the Ghost Adventures came here, and of course I actually not seen that clip in a long time, that episode in a long time. So I kind of forgot what all they found. But they came out through here because this place actually is supposed to be haunted. And I'm pretty sure at sometimes, like when this is, you're not in a close for construction yet. So sometimes this actually opened all the way down there. I have to come back and do another video whenever they open this up. But it's very cool down here. There's where I was at a few minutes ago up there. Here's a piece of equipment here. I don't know what this was. There's down beside it. Oh, there's more of a tunnel down there. Wow. I don't know how far down you can see on the camera, but there. The tunnel goes out a lot farther past the piece of equipment. There's like some fence right there, though, so you can't go down too far. There's water running everywhere. Let me go back up. Very cool. Go back up here. Actually, there are. That's not the only thing that's open this time. That's new, or to me, it's new. Hang on. There's some another like room close to the stock tunnel. Some briars. Wow. Some sharp briars there. Then let's see. There's a big furnace right there. Here's another room right here. A reset button. A gauge right there. Sloss stock trestle tunnel. There's an image of how everything looks. There's that piece of equipment that I think that's equipment. Yeah, and there's the little carts there. Let's see. Now some of this actually is closed off. Oh, Ladle Car. I'll walk right past that. The Ladle Car. Water Tower Plaza and Stock Tunnel. That's a sign just where to go. Nice tunnel there. I saw that last time. I don't know what it was for. Pyrometer House. That's closed right now. Looks like there's some work on the water tower. I think they got it all kind of taped off, caution tape. Hot blast stoves. You can get lost back in here almost. Oh, there's that, is it like a blower? Yeah, I'll be there in just a minute. So you'll see where that comes out at. A big tower there. I guess that was like for steam, maybe. Or I don't know what that was for. Here's what the inside of one of these towers look like. We got some plexiglass that's been broken. I don't know if you can see very well in there. Sorta, yeah. Sloss water tower. But okay, here we go. Entrance. Blowing engine building, no climbing. I was in here earlier. That's where these stairs go. Down there. And over there. Here's the back of this. Goes down deep. Wow, I keep seeing things I'm missing. What is this? Some more dials, maybe? More dials. but those two Ingersoll blowers is what replaced this entire flywheel room or whatever, motors. So these have been here for a long time. I see a lot of history, and I'm guessing they've been dormant for a long time. But as you can see, these wheels here, they would all spin. I bet that was loud, but it had generated enough wind, wind to blow into the what's it called? The furnace. That is loud in here. But look at all the pipes though. That's pretty cool right there. That's some old dials there. But without my light, it's kind of dark back in here actually. And then over here to the right is this huge motor, belt-driven motor here. The belts are still on it. It's quiet. So that's that room there. And then last time I was here, this was also closed. This is the Powerhouse. Over here they got some artwork out. Pretty cool things here. They weren't here last time. Especially the skeleton here, drinking out of a straw with a lid. What's it? What does it say? One last sip, 2024. I'll get a good view of that. That's pretty cool right there. Here's some other artwork, some sculptures. They used to a long time ago have a horror house here. I can't remember what it was called, like Haunted Furnace. I don't know what it was called, but they have since stopped that. But yeah, they have since stopped that horror house. I don't even know why, but they have since stopped it. There's the big furnace. They got two of them at this facility. Or they had two of them at least. We're testing. Also, we're close by the train tracks, so that's where all the trains are. If you hear those. Slag Granulator. Oh, I also forgot. If anybody doesn't know where this is in Birmingham, Alabama. It's kind of hard to miss, really. But yeah, I'll put the address down below. Where's this at? And admission is free. You kind of gotta sign in, and they give you a map and everything, but it is free. Now, some of the events that they have, well, I think there's like a music festival they have sometimes. I think I heard that from somewhere. That probably costs something. Here's like a shovel, a steam shovel kind of thing, right out here. Sun's on my eyes right now, so I can get a good view of everything. There we go. And these over here to our left, to my left, is, I forgot what these things are called. They're like, well, there's a sign on one side of it. I'll figure it out, but it's pretty cool because you can see into it, see over into it. I guess I don't know how. That's it there. You see, I hold my camera up over everything. And then over here, same story. But I'm pretty sure that it's called like cooling stations. Hang on, there's a sign that says what they're called over here. I'll find it. Here's some more of their claws, I guess, they had. And that right there is their historic bathhouse, but that's actually closed right now. They're cleaning it up and working on it inside. But otherwise, they'd be open. Oh yeah, historic cooling tower, that's right. But this picture doesn't really show a cooling tower, I don't think. I think this just shows the Sloss Furnace. But this was a cooling tower. And they have some more artwork out front here. It's pretty cool here because you have to get the right angle to get the image. It's like rock climbing. Let me see if I can get the right. Let's see. There we go. Semi rock climbing. Over here is semi break dancing. Actually, I'm kind of in the right angle already, actually. But if I move to the right, it kind of doesn't look right. But start moving, and it finally starts assembling to right about there, almost. There, yep. It's breakdancer. There's a train going by. And these fountains here, this was the spray pond. I don't really know what that means. I think, well, I actually did read. I think they this was what cooled the metal down after they formed it into certain things. But now they just use it as a fountain. And that actually, that's a bar and restaurant called the Back 40. That's over there. So long train. So walk up here to the blast furnace. Like I say, oh, this is also a sidewalk. They turned as a railroad track a long time ago. It's now like a sidewalk and a path and everything. One of the old cars over here. Spins, wow. It doesn't really do anything, but it does spin. So like I said, there actually are 2 furnaces for this at Sloss Furnace, but only one you can walk up to pretty close. And that's the one that... Oh, that train's still going. Wow, that's a long train. Just end out right here. Let's see. I think so, yep. And there, hang on, right about there. It's the last car I thought was train. A long train there. But yeah, they had 2 blast furnaces here, and only one of them you could walk up to really close like this one. The other one, I mean, I know that it's not like dangerous, but it's just kind of off limits to the regular tour. But I don't know which one it was that the Zach Baggins went to that went up on. I'll come up there in a second. Here is a #1 cash shed. So I think this is like a loading dock almost. I can know like what it. Oh, there's like some like a trough over there. Right here, a trough. I don't really know what that was for. And this is just bathrooms back over there. And here is actually a room. I don't really know what this room actually is, but you can kind of see inside, I think. This window opens here. Here's the other side of under this bridge. So you're getting close to the tunnel over there. So I'm sure some of this probably used to feed into the tunnel somewhere, somehow. But let me show you here. There's I guess like a office up there. I don't know, like that can like oversee a lot of the work going on. So the process of them making the iron here they would heat it up, of course, in this big blast furnace here. And when they got done to pour the iron out and put into forms, they would open up a little hatch on the bottom of this furnace here, and this molten lead, not lead, wow, this molten iron would pour out and just pour the dirt like right through this river here, pretty much, right around through here and out there to the forms. So yeah, they would open up some, I guess, some valve somewhere, maybe this thing, I don't know, this or something else, and it would flow out around here and out to here. The casting pigs, there's a glare on the sign, sorry, but the molten iron would come out through there and into these big vats in this I don't know what this is called. Is there a name for this? I guess a casting pig. Yeah, casting pig. It's a cool shot right there, looking through the sidewalk. And you can sort of hear the water running. That's where I was at, the tunnel. It's right down there somewhere. Kind of hear the water running. Oh, I think I barely see the water. Wait, no, I don't. Hang on, where's the water at? I don't know where it's at, but it's down there somewhere. It's big tracks. I guess coal or whatever gets shipped in here, and they would load the coal onto these carts, or whatever it was in these carts, and it'd go dump over into the furnace. I think at night they have these things lit up. There's a light right here they have that they light things up with. The start trestle. Yep. That's right. Yep. I'm sure I actually could learn a lot more about this if I stopped and read all those things, but I don't know. I guess I just want to keep walking. Some, I guess, like forms. There's a heart right there. There's an old ladle right here. Here's the big furnace, though. Huge thing. And last time I was here, this right here was not open. Not really that much of a new thing, but we'll walk down through here. Now you can't walk past that cone, but I guess this is kind of like another like little office or like a control area right beside the big blast furnace right there. They still have art shows here sometimes. Obviously, they'll make art and all that. These big, huge towers here. There's one of these that are actually open now. I don't think it's supposed to be open, but that's how it looks inside right there. A lot of, I guess that's ash in there and everything. It's a cool feeling walking around beside these really huge towers. Oh yeah, here's where I was at earlier. This is these flywheel. This is the flywheel in here. Yeah. a big wrench there. It's outside. Another wrench right here. Big wrench right here. And actually, I gotta be careful about this. I can move it out a little bit. It's actually really heavy there, so I gotta just leave it against the fence right there. Now, I think that big pipe right here running, that pipe right there, that may be what goes down in, or somehow goes around to the flywheels and blowers and all that. Well, maybe not, because, well, I guess so, yeah, because, I mean, I know the pipes go into these big, huge towers here. These huge, I guess, smokestacks or something like that. I don't know what they are. But eventually, I'm sure they go into this, the furnace.